Hi, Tim Bigham for Delta Derivatives, option hedges and edges, powered by the best option scanning tools on the market today, rbtrader.com. And finally, getting a little bit of power in this market as the S&P's up about 8 points today. Have the big anticipated Jackson Hole meeting on Friday. Not sure what Fed Chairman Yellen is actually going to really be able to come up with, but certainly market participants who have been sitting on their hands in a big way, more sitting on the hands until Friday for sure. We've been in this just very tight trading range for really the past month. 219 to the upside on the SPY, 215 to the downside, really going nowhere. And again, we've talked about, it seems like ad nauseum here, high stock valuations, price to sales, the highest level since the dot-com bubble. Obviously, interest rates at the lowest ever. So it's that yin and yang. I think people up here are afraid to get long and really are very fearful to get short, as the shorts have been just obliterated on many occasions here. So I'm keeping it very nimble, very tactical, opportunistic, looking to use those option scanning tools. I think in this kind of market environment really suits that. So looking at a couple big call buyers out there, one of them in Goodyear Tire GT. We've seen repeated buying in the September 29 calls over the past week. The implied vol jumped from 27 to over 30. The stock has moved up. Normally you'd expect implied volatility to come down. So that sets up a nice call diagonal spread. I'm buying the October 28 calls, selling those comparatively expensive September 29 calls, leaning with that order flow. Net effect is I'm about 40 deltas net long, paying about $1, a little bit less than that for that spread. So even if this thing rips to the upside, we'll make some money here. Another one is Hanesbrands, which had some big call volume about a month and a half ago, seeing some more coming in here. And that's kind of been the norm for a lot of these big call buyers. They'll do 2 or 3 call buys that may expire worthless or they'll take a loss on before the big one finally hits. So again, I'm just following along, buying some calls, buying the at-the-money Octobers, they're buying the at-the-money September. So until we get into September here and maybe break out or fake out to the upside or downside of this trading range, and with the VIX at 11, options are cheap. I like the fact that you can really get some gamma, which is how quickly those options move, right, at these levels for you. So I really think it's a great time to be using option strategies, long option strategies, especially to express your directional viewpoint. So until next time, this is Tim Bigham. As always, here's to good trading. Take care.